Welcome to Fab and Mic. In today's video we're going to open this fragile box. Someone had so much fun with the tape. Here we go. Baka kaka. Lovely fashion. It's a bit. It's been through some. Oh, it's open. So let's see. Instructions in Chinese.
Yes.
So here we go. It's pink. Jag ska ta ut den här först. The socket. That's it.
Smells factory.
Smells factory very much. So let's see, what is this? It's pink. No scratches that I can see. Or it seems sealed.
Yes, I think so.
Let's do it together. Huh?
A spoon.
Spoon.
Measurement.
How does this work?
This one, you remove this plastic and then you put it there and it's converted.
Okay. And then we have
This is very pretty rice.
yes. So let's clean this one and this one and this one and wipe off this one.
Yes. Like this color.
And for the machine, I will just wipe it off. It's a bit sparkling. Wet it to be like this. we're good to go. I think we should put it here. Along with the other pink stuff.
Where did the coffee bar go?
We redecorated. Remove those. Take this one. And just ta-da!
In the back?
In the back, here. Like so.
Yes.
There we go. And then we plug it in. Nej, den är inte gjorda. How do we solve this? This wasn't so good because in our country we need to have jordat and this doesn't match. So what I did, I called my best friend who is an electrician, and he said check underneath. He said check the voltage.
Yes.
And it's the same as we have in our country. That's good. We check this part. And this reminds me of a computer. So, since I'm a hoarder, I found this in my stash. And let's see if they match. Looks the same to me. The only difference is that this is like 60 centimeters and this is like
very big.
So if you learned anything from our previous videos, don't throw away things. You never know when you will need it. Okay, let's see then. Moment of truth. Like a glove. This is very good because now we can have it on the stove and use the fan. So that's even better. So, yes.
So thanks for sending a cord that doesn't work.
Yes, thank you, Amazon. Let's see if the whole house goes down
Boom.
now. Boom.
Yes.
You want to do this? I'm scared. Maybe you should. Oops.
It says 000.
Okay, is that a
So
good?
it works.
It
I
works. Yes.
And if you want to read the instructions, then you take your phone and you open Google Translate app and use the camera mode.
Ah, very cool.
So now you can read the instructions in the phone.
So this is how you read instructions.
Yes, in any language.
Any language. Let's see if they have English. If they don't. No. So if you order one of these, use the app. And this had lots of stuff.
Yes.
It's on off, function, slow cooking, quick cooking. That I like.
Porridge.
That's gröt in Swedish. Keep warm. Cake. Oh, we can do cake. Yogurt. What's that?
Multigrain.
Multigrain. Ah, okay.
Then it's preset and then there's an up and down button.
Okay. So let's see. We start with some rice cooking.
Yes.
Yes.
It's good there is a rice button here.
Where?
No, there isn't one.
There isn't one. We bought it for rice, but
Yes,
look, we
and
got
it's
all
a-
this extra.
Yes. Yes, let's see. Plop.
Look
Then you put the tray in.
again.
And then
I have my little sheeting here in Nevlön. 1,5 deciliter ris. Okay,
yes.
2.5 water. Two and a half. Then some salt.
Takes
I really didn't like that we didn't get any instructions, so let's improvise. Okay. Rice and water mix, and we can go up here, I think. And then we close the lid.
Yes. I guess we just press the on button, probably.
Yeah, do so.
No. Maybe I have to choose function first. What does the preset button do? Nothing. Maybe I need to... Do you think it's slow cooking?
I don't know. We bought a rice machine, but there is no button for rice.
No.
It should be 15 minutes. Maybe we should go down here 15 with the time, no?
I don't know. Cook. Porridge. That is soup. Multigrain. That's 40 minutes. Yogurt. Cake. Keep warm. I don't know, I think you started slow cooking maybe?
But can we go down?
I think if you press it, then you can go.
Ah, put 15 minutes.
I don't know if this is minutes. It's like 700. Isn't this like 1 hour?
Ah, okay.
Quick cooking, 30 minutes. Do you want to try the quick cooking or the slow cooking?
How long is the slow cooking?
35 minutes. It was 5 minutes difference.
Take quick.
Okay, now press on.
Or has it started already?
No. There we go.
Here we go. Maybe it's recalculating now. Should we open in 15 minutes and see what's happened?
No.
No?
Why are you so eager?
I don't want to burn it the first I do.
You cannot burn it.
Oh, I can't?
No,
Okay.
I don't think you can.
Okay, let's do it. So what should we do for 35 minutes?
I don't know.
Try to find instructions.
Yes.
Okay, see you in 35 minutes.
Yes.
I used Google Translate app and I took screenshot of the whole instruction. It's in Chinese. So what we did was we put rice and water into the can and then we pressed function.
Quick cooking. Function.
Quick cooking.
Yes, function 2 times.
2 times on this. And now we have to wait.
And then you press on.
And then you press on and it made a little sound. And now it's spinning here. It's no countdown or anything, so we just have to wait. And you have the whole instruction here. Okay, 30 minutes and it beeped. And now I will open this. I hope I will not burn. I'll do like this. Whoa! It looks like rice. It's not burned.
It looks good, yes.
Yes, it does. It looks really good. And we didn't have to do a thing, just wait 30 minutes.
Yes.
And this is...
Can put some up in the taste, yes.
Yes. It's really hot. Let's see. Let's taste this. Oh,
Was it the best rice you ever had?
I think maybe. It was good. Should you taste it?
Yes.
Here you go. It's really hot. Was it good?
Yes.
Better than my rice?
Yes. It's not as dry as it usually are.
No.
Yes.
It's more like in the Chinese restaurants. The reason we bought this was to do sushi rice.
Yes. I think it will work very good.
Okay. So it's worth the money.
I think so.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Här blev en kul liten video. Tycker du det var gott?